Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to talk about how to fix the problem when photo isn't swiping on TikTok. Now most of the problem will be solved when you go and tap on these three lines at the top right and choose settings and privacy. Scroll down until you find free up space. Now here you're gonna choose cache, clear cache and clear downloads. And most of the cases this should be enough to solve the problem, but not all the cases. Now what you can do after you did this, you can also try to update your TikTok to the newest version possible and restart your phone. Maybe the problem is at here and can be fixed only by these steps. But if it still doesn't work, you're gonna go again settings and privacy and choose report the problem and choose videos and sounds. You're gonna choose playing videos and go to other, since we don't have the option of swiping photo, and go need more help. Here you're gonna describe your problem like, hello TikTok support team, please help me in fixing that my photos can be swiped on my TikTok, and I will be very thankful for this. And after you did it, the problem more likely will be solved, but I'm not guaranteeing you, because there are many cases of this and they might be not catching up. So since it's the only way and option we have, you should try it and maybe it will help you. So that's it. Please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel if this video was helpful for you, and I will see you in the next video.